Hi, I'm Dan Gable with Shore Murphy and Associates at Casey, and this is another episode of Big Agent in a Small Town. First, if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can get alerts when our new videos come out every week. If you have any business insurance questions, always feel free to reach out to me by phone or text at 217-932-2267 or email to dan@shoremurphykz.com. Today, I want to help contractors become more educated on the insurance buying and kind of how the process works and how you can become more educated with the process and help your business. So the first thing I wanted to talk about is there are 3 ways that a contractor can purchase business insurance. So the first would be direct to consumer. This is normally going to be online. Where you're going online, putting in information about your business, getting a quote. One of the good things about this is it's a fast way to get some numbers and to get coverage. The downside is you have to be really careful with some of the policy exclusions and things, and you can really potentially damage your business with some of the exclusions you'll find on these policies online, and you'll have the benefit of an expert helping to walk you through the process as well too. Another way would be working with an agent with what's called a captive or exclusive company. This means that they are an agent just exclusively for one company. They don't work with multiple insurance companies. A pro with this is you're working with someone who's most likely local in your community and is there to help you through things. I would say a downside with captive or exclusive companies with contractors is they don't necessarily specialize in coverage for contractors and won't have all of the coverages and endorsements that other companies might have. The third and final way, and where I'm admittedly biased, is working with an independent insurance agent. An independent insurance agent is going to work with multiple companies. So they, based on your contracting business, can find the company that has the right coverages at a competitive premium for you, and can really help you navigate the insurance buying process. So. Again, I'm biased saying that's the best way to buy. But even now, let's say you decide you're gonna buy your contracting insurance with an independent insurance agent. There are definitely other things that you need to know. So first, I think there's a temptation of thinking, I want to reach out to lots of agents and get lots of different quotes. That's going to get me the best options on my business insurance. That's not really the right thinking, and the reason why is a lot of independent agents there's gonna be overlap on what companies they work with, and most insurance companies will only quote for the agent who is first in and with their application. So what this means is if you're an underwriter who decides the pricing with the insurance company, you could get 3 or 4 submissions from different agencies, and it's gonna make you not feel as good about that contracting insurance account, and you're most likely not gonna see the best pricing that way. So you're gonna have an underwriter confused about why we're getting all these multiple submissions from different agencies. Now the other thing it does is you may not have a chance to work with the agent you'd ultimately want to work with that carrier with this first in approach. So I really recommend interviewing different insurance agents, finding someone who specializes in coverage for contractors, and letting them control that marketing process of going out to different insurance companies and getting multiple quotes for you. One other thing I will add with that is there's also a temptation sometimes to try to shop out your insurance every year. Again, that's something that I highly discourage you from. And again, we're talking about it's underwriters with the insurance companies who decide ultimately on pricing and credits and things like that. And I can tell you, from working with underwriters for over 15 years, Probably one of the things they hate the most are the accounts they see every year and feel like they never have an actual shot at it writing. In fact, I've submitted an account before, and an underwriter will say, I've seen this 5 years in a row. What's different this year than any other year? And so you're going to burn out underwriters when you submit it every year. And so with something, again, and I can understand and where it can seem like it makes sense, but this is where working with a trusted agent comes in. They're going to help you navigate that process and give you a good feel of years when it's going to make sense to look at getting different quotes, and years that it's going to make sense of just staying with your current carrier, not looking at other options. So that's a quick overview on the buying process. If you have any questions with that, please always reach out to me by phone or text at 217-932-2267, or by email to Dan, D-A-N, at shoremurphycasey, SHOREMURPHYCASEY.com. Thank you.